Picture windows are one of the most striking features in many homes, providing unobstructed views of the outdoors and allowing natural light to flood your living spaces. In a beautiful area like Orangeburg, where nature is in full view, having large picture windows is a fantastic way to connect your home with its surroundings. However, while these windows offer plenty of benefits, maintaining and cleaning them properly is essential to keep them looking pristine and functioning well. In this article, we'll guide you through the best practices for maintaining and cleaning picture windows in Orangeburg, so you can enjoy their beauty and functionality for years to come. Regular cleaning to prevent dirt and grime buildup. Because picture windows are large and often not designed to open, they are especially susceptible to collecting dust, dirt, and grime on their glass surfaces. Regular cleaning is the easiest way to maintain their appearance and ensure you can enjoy your beautiful views without the obstruction of smudges or streaks. To clean your picture windows, start by using a microfiber cloth to wipe down the glass. This soft material helps trap dust and dirt without scratching the surface. For basic cleaning, mix a mild solution of water and dish soap or use a glass cleaner. Spray the cleaner onto the cloth rather than directly onto the glass to avoid drips, and gently wipe the window in a circular motion. For harder to remove dirt, you may need a stronger solution, such as a mixture of water and vinegar. If you live near a high traffic area or have nearby trees, it's a good idea to clean your picture windows at least once a month to prevent the buildup of dirt and residue. Avoid harsh chemicals and abrasives while cleaning your picture windows is important. It's equally essential to avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools that could damage the glass or the frame. Strong chemicals like ammonia or bleach can damage the finish of your window frames, and abrasive pads or steel wool can scratch the glass, leading to unsightly marks and potential deterioration over time. Instead, stick to gentle cleaners and soft cloths like microfiber to ensure that your windows are cleaned without any risk of damage. For stubborn stains, try using a solution of water and vinegar, or opt for a professional window cleaner designed for delicate surfaces. Clean window frames and sills. Although the glass of your picture window may be the focal point, don't forget to clean the window frames and sills as well. Over time, dust, cobwebs, and other debris can accumulate in these areas, which can detract from the overall appearance of your window. Cleaning the frames and sills regularly helps to maintain the neat, fresh look of your picture windows and ensures that everything is in good working order. Use a soft brush or vacuum cleaner attachment to remove dust and debris from the frame and sill. If your window frame is made of wood, ensure that it's wiped down with a damp cloth to avoid dust buildup, and occasionally apply a wood cleaner or conditioner to keep the wood in good shape. For vinyl or fiberglass frames, a damp cloth and mild detergent should suffice. Inspect and maintain seals and caulking. While cleaning your picture windows regularly will keep them looking great, maintenance goes beyond just wiping down the glass. Picture windows are typically fixed and don't open, so ensuring that the seals and caulking around the frame are intact is important for energy efficiency and preventing water infiltration. Over time, The seals and caulking can deteriorate, especially if exposed to extreme weather conditions, such as Orangeburg's hot summers or cold winters. To maintain these seals, inspect the caulking around your windows every few months for signs of cracking or peeling. If you notice any issues, it's essential to address them promptly by reapplying caulk or sealant to prevent drafts or water leakage. This can be a DIY project, or you can hire a professional to ensure that the seals are properly maintained. Preventing and cleaning hard water stain. If you live in an area with hard water, you may notice mineral deposits or stains on your picture windows, especially after rain or cleaning. These hard water stains can be tricky to remove and may build up over time if not properly treated. To prevent hard water stains, it's a good idea to clean your windows more frequently, particularly after a heavy rainstorm. To remove existing hard water stains, mix a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water, and apply it to the affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. For tougher stains, you may need to use a specialty cleaner designed for removing mineral deposits from glass. Protecting picture windows from storm damage. In areas like Orangeburg, where occasional storms can bring strong winds and rain, it's important to protect your picture windows from potential damage. While most modern picture windows are made with durable materials, they can still be vulnerable to debris, hail, or high winds. Consider installing storm windows or applying a protective film to safeguard your windows during storm season. Additionally, if you have large trees or shrubs near your home, trim them regularly to prevent branches from coming into contact with the glass. Regularly inspecting your windows for any signs of damage or wear will also help you catch any issues early before they become larger problems. Professional cleaning for high or hard-to-reach windows. If your picture windows are particularly large or located in a difficult-to-reach area, it may be best to hire a professional window cleaning service. Professionals have the equipment and experience needed to clean windows safely and thoroughly, even on upper floors or in hard-to-access spaces. Additionally, they can inspect your windows for any hidden issues, such as damage to the seals or frame, that you may not have noticed. Conclusion. Maintaining and cleaning your picture windows in Orangeburg is key to ensuring that they continue to provide clear, unobstructed views and remain functional for years to come. By following regular cleaning routines, avoiding harsh chemicals, inspecting seals, and maintaining your window frames, you can keep your picture windows looking great and functioning properly. With proper care, your picture windows will enhance your home's beauty and provide lasting value.